What up, guys? In this video, we'll be talking about what UID is all about in this Phemex exchange. So if you've been using this exchange for a while, or if you're a newbie and you want to copy the UID to know where the UID is, first of all, you have to know what is the UID, what is the purpose of the UID. So the purpose of the UID, first of all, is an identification number, just like a kind of mobile user number. That number is actually assigned to you for multiple purposes. You can use that number to get some reward. You can also use that particular number to give to or to send to a campaign officer for receival of any reward or money or token whatsoever. So what that UID is actually often needed for campaign, or if you have any issue in the exchange, you can, and then you reach out to any customer support, they will tell you to send them that UID, and then that UID is what they are gonna be using to help you out if you encounter any problem within the Phemex exchange. All right. So anytime that the UID is required, it means that that UID is your personal identification in that exchange. That is just more like saying that is what is representing you in the exchange. So whosoever you are sending that UID to, you have to know that that's what the UID is all about. It is representing you in the exchange. So in case you need any help, or you have any issue in the platform, that is what is going to be used to track who you really are, your kind of person in the exchange, and then they can now render you the service. They can now help you out, or someone can easily help you out through your user identity number, which is that UID. Now, mind you, no one is gonna be using that UID to hack into your account. Nobody has that access to hack into your account. So whosoever is sending your UID to, you have to ensure that you don't send it anywhere. But that, all right, it doesn't mean that you should send your UID to, or you can go to any random site and deposit your UID there. No, you have to be cautious. You have to be security conscious. All right. So the purpose of the UID is just to use it to get some reward. Let's say, for instance, there is an airdrop project that is going on in the Phemex exchange. The only way that you can receive your reward or your tokens is from the UID. All right, that is the only way that you can receive your tokens. And let's say, for instance, there is a program, there is a referral program going on that has some benefits. They will always require for that particular UID. I hope this is clear enough. So some of the helpful, now why this is important is for them to be able to know the kind of person you are right in the exchange. Okay, for them to be able to know if you are a legitimate person that is using the exchange, and also in terms of transfer of tokens, you can use your UID to receive your tokens from any airdrop that is going on, or any campaign whatsoever in the exchange. All right. So some of the helpful tips you can do is the fact that don't always send out your UID to anybody, and whosoever is asking you for your login details, do not give anybody your login details. Your login details is very, very different from your UID. Okay, there are two different things. Your login details is always different from the UID. Okay, so if any customer support requests for your login details in your email, do not send anybody or anyone your login details. Your login details is very, very different from your UID. Don't do that. Always send them your UID. I hope this is clear enough. So now, some of the common mistakes that you can try to avoid is this. Whenever you want to send your UID or to locate where the UID is, this is where the UID is actually located. So you tap on it. As soon as you tap on it, you come right here. Okay, now this is the UID that I am telling you about. Now this is where you can tap to copy your UID. But for you to see your UID very, very well, just come down here, tap right here. As soon as you tap right there, the dashboard is gonna open up fully. Then you come right here and tap it. Now this is the number. This is the number that you are gonna be copying. All right, that is your Phemex UID here in the exchange. And you can see here UID means user identification number. Okay, so now some of the things you should know is this. Whenever you want to copy your UID, do not type your UID manually, because if you type it, you can do mistake and then you can go and send it to someone and the person might send tokens to a different account. So it is always very advisable that you use this type, you copy it directly. I hope this is clear enough. Now, if this video was very helpful, don't forget to join the channel, and if you have any question, leave them at the comment section, and see you in the next video.